Welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. Is the AI race a popularity contest? Depends on who you ask. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is already positioning Meta AI as the frontrunner, promising in a recent earnings report that Meta AI is on track to be the most used AI assistant in the world by the end of the year. While I found the contention surprising and questioned it on Threads, one Instagram engineer chimed in with what might be the most obvious answer: distribution. The LLM-based AI can be found on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Facebook recently reported over 3 billion users. Instagram has 2.4 billion, and WhatsApp is also closing in on 3 billion. That, my friends, is distribution. In Zuckerberg's statements, though, there was an implication of popularity, like people are using Meta AI because they like it. Is Meta AI suddenly in a position to be the most popular AI in this still emerging and highly competitive market? Meta AI knows it's popular, but it's pretty circumspect here, recognizing all the factors that play into its position in the AI race, including usage, recognition, and personal preferences. I was impressed that Meta AI also mentioned the competitors, but I soon learned that almost all the major AIs are well aware of the competition. Google Gemini doesn't bother to assess its own popularity. Instead, in a very Google way, it focuses on the problem of how to assess popularity. It lists out the best-known ones and adds that each AI model has its own strengths and areas of expertise, and their popularity can vary depending on the specific use case and user preferences. ChatGPT's ruminative response comes across as someone knowing the answer. Note the italicized most, but not wanting to brag. It's like asking an Olympian if they're skilled at sports. The demur is only to make you not feel bad about yourself. Microsoft Copilot acts like it's the high school prom queen you ran into who insists they're not as popular as all that, while literally looking for their sash. It quickly changes the subject and thereby avoids mentioning any other AI. The problem with assessing AI popularity and ascribing the most used term to this growing list of generative AI assistants is that AI is not a monolith. Sure, we might engage most with the best AI chatbots, but we use other kinds of AI platforms, including image generation in Adobe Firefly, a myriad set of growing tools in Samsung Galaxy AI, and soon Apple Intelligence. They all do different things. How can you compare them? For what it's worth, when I asked people on Threads and X, formerly Twitter, which AI they used the most, ChatGPT was the runaway winner. I have to assume that, at some level, usage does equate to popularity. So that's it for the AI bots video. I hope you like it. Do subscribe for more videos like this.